Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on Messenger. You will go here to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.